Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to the mess that is my life. I haven't filmed or posted anything in like 2 weeks. I know I'm garbage. I feel like garbage about it because I really wanted to do something, but I was transitioning from an old job into a new one. The new one's going really well, and now I have time to breathe. And yeah, my hair's a puppy mess. My skin is a fucking mess. My life is...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would...
It's not a mess all around, because like, my job is going well. That's about it. Let's get to it. Today I'm gonna be doing a look, I'm probably not gonna say this right, but La Vie d'un Prince did like a beautiful like sun and moon look, and I am a Gemini, and my sun and my moon are in Gemini. Oh wait, 'cause I feel like people hate on Geminis a lot, and like I'm a double Gemini, and that really seems to like make people mad. Yeah, so basically astrologically being a Gemini sun and a Gemini moon is like not the best thing. Okay, so full time. You can't see that, but like, ooh. Wow, I'm like already not okay, and I'm 2 minutes into this thing. Now, to make this more enjoyable for the like 20 people that watch these, I'm gonna smoke another one because I was gone for like 2 weeks, and I just feel like that's fair if I smoke 2 bowls. Like one for each week that I disappointed people. Also, yes, I'm getting my roots fixed. I feel like I want to tie my hair back. Okay. I also am feeling ambitious, so I picked a look that I needed to glue my eyebrows down for. So that's happening. Where's my fan? I feel like it's over there, and I really don't want to go get it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm gonna be fine. If you don't look absolutely insane, your eyebrows aren't gonna be glued down properly. And I'm just gonna powder it. And like press down with my beauty blender. This is a dry beauty blender also.
Still a piece of garbage.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna conceal my whole face and probably powder after that. I'm gonna start with the shading because what the fuck? My yellow Makeup Forever Flash palette. So I'm going to grab so I'm going to use my SUVA Beauty hydra liner and Space Panda, and I'm going to do the moon and the clouds, which is probably going to take me longer.
Yay!
Okay, so now that that's happening. Okay, the SUVA Beauty hydra liners are honestly amazing, and I'm really upset that I haven't used one before now. Okay, so I'm gonna smoke another bowl. Like, am I gonna have enough eyeliner for this? Who knows? Okay, one of the longest looks I've ever done. I think I'm just gonna contour and then put actual eyeliner on my actual eyes, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Taking
So much time.
Just gonna put a little black shadow underneath my eye.
Time for lashes.
I'm gonna wear my giant lashes on top, my Midas Cosmetics Extra AF, which like are probably not gonna show. Oh, there we go. And then I think my tiny little lashes on the bottom. But let's. Now that all of my lashes are on, lips, and then I think just a little highlight and I'm done. I should probably highlight first, actually. I'm using Anastasia for the white snow, because it's like white. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips with this like nude. It's a Buxom pencil, but I don't remember the color of it. I'll get some gloss. I'm gonna put Fenty lip. Fenty Glow. Alright. Now my hair, like I said, is gonna have a dent in it. But this is the final. Alright, now this took me a long ass time, but I'm glad I did it because it came out really good. I'm really happy with it, and I haven't really done anything in a while, and I feel like y'all deserve something good, and like I feel like I did it. I don't know. Thanks for watching this whole video. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.